Hi children, parents, teachers and all the stakeholders. Welcome to Class 8 Mathematics. This is yours Kona Kiran Reddy. Hope you enjoying my classes. If you are enjoying my classes, here in the description I am giving the links of the playlists of my previous lessons. So please go through them and share the links of the playlists to your friends and colleagues and students so that they can make use of those explanations. Okay, if you are enjoying my classes, please like, comment, share, and before that, please subscribe my channel. This is yours Kona Kiran Reddy. Let us quickly go through the lesson. In this lesson, let us do second problem, exercise 7.1. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Before going to do first problem, what is a perfect cube? If a number can be divided into product of three equal numbers, then that is a perfect cube. Suppose if I take 8, 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 cube. So 8 is a perfect cube. Suppose if I take 9, 9 can be written as 3 times 3. This can be written just only as 3 square, not as 3 cube. So here in this case, we don't have product of three equal numbers. We have only two equal numbers. If 9 is multiplied by 3 again, so we can write this one as 3 times 3, then this 3 is times 3. So we can write this as 3 times 3 times 3. So we need to multiply 9 with 3 so that it can be a perfect cube. Let me take one more example. Suppose if I take 12, so it is not a perfect cube. We can write this one as 12 can be written as 2 times 2 times 3. Now you observe here we have how many 2's? 2 2's we have. To get a triplet we need one more 2. Now here 3 we have just only 1 3. To get a triplet we need 2 more 3's. That means 3 times 3 needed here. In the first case 2 needed here. So if 12 is multiplied by 2 and 3 times 3. So like this, if we multiply, this can be written as 12. 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. Then the next one is 2 times 3 times 3. So times 2 times 3 times 3. Now you see here, we have two 2's here and one 2 here. So 2 times 2 times 2. Then the remaining numbers times 3 times 3 times 3. So we have triplets. You see here 2 times 2 times 2 is one triplet and 3 times 3 times 3 is one triplet. Now we got triplets. So 12 is to be multiplied by 2 times 3 times 3. That means 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18. So 12 is to be multiplied by 18 to obtain a perfect square. Hope you understand this. Now let's come to the problems. Suppose if I take the first one, that is 243. To check with which it is to be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube, first what we need to do is, let us resolve this into prime factors. So we need to do prime factorization. So let us take 243. Now start with 2. As we have 3 in the units place, it can't be divided by 2. That means it is not exactly divisible by 2. So let us start with 3. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not, just add the digits. 2 plus 4 plus 3. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 times 8 is 24. Then 3 times 1 is 3. Now start with again 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then we have 2, 21. 3 times 7 is 21. Then again start with 3. 3 times 9 is 27. Then 3 times 3. So therefore 243 equal to, how many 3's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now you check how many triplets are here. See, 3 times 3 times 3. Now here we have only 2 3's. To get perfect cube, we need a triplet. So we need one more 3. As we have 2 3's here, we need one more 3. So this number 243 is to be multiplied by 3 to get a perfect cube. Okay, therefore 243 is to be multiplied by 3 to obtain a perfect cube. Now let's go to the second problem. 256. Now let us resolve this into factors. Let us start with 2. 2 times 1 is 2, then 5 is there. So 2 times 2 is 4, then 1 will be there. 16 we have, so 2 times 8. Then again start with 2. 2 times 6 is 12, then 8 is there, so 2 times 4 is 8. Then again start with the 2. 2 times 3 is 6, then 2 times 2. Then 2 times 1 is 2, 1 will be there, 12, so 2 times 6. Then 2 times 8, then 2 times 4, then 2 times 2. So therefore 256 equal to, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now observe the triplets. So here 2 times 2 times 2, then again 2 times 2 times 2. Then we have only 2 2's. We need how many 2's? We need triplet. That means we need 3 2's. Here we have only 2 2's. So we need one more 2. So 256 is to be multiplied by 2 to get triplet. Okay. So that means to obtain a perfect cube, 256 is to be multiplied by 2. Therefore 256 is to be multiplied by 2 to obtain a perfect cube. That's it. Let's go to the third problem. That is 72. Now let us resolve 72 into factors. First start with 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So 7 minus 6 means 1. Beside 2 means 12. So 2 times 6 is 12. Then 2 times 1 is 2. 1 will be there, 16, 2 times 8. Then again 2 times 9. Then 3 times 3. So therefore 72 equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now observe the triplets. 2 times 2 times 2. Then we have 3 times 3. We don't have triplet here. We have only 2 threes. We need how many threes? 3 threes. We need triplet. We have only 2 threes here. So we need one more 3. So that means therefore 72 is to be multiplied by 3 to get a perfect cube. Now let's go to the fourth problem. 675. Let us do prime factorization. So first start with 2. Actually we have 5 in the units place, so it is not divisible by 2. Now let us do with 3. So whether it is divisible by 3 or not, how to check? Just add the digits. 6 plus 7 plus 5. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So we can say that 675 is also divisible by 3. So start with 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then again 3 times 2 is 6. 1 will be there. 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Again start with the 3. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 225 is divisible by 3. So 3 times 7 is 21. 1 will be there. 15 means 3 times 5 is 15. Now again do with 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Now 25 can be written as 5 into 5. So therefore 675 equal to 3 times 3 times 3 then times 5 times 5. Now observe the triplets. 3 times 3 times 3 is triplet. Now in the second part 5 times 5 is there. We need 3 5s. We need triplet. We need 3 5s. We have only 2 5s. So additionally we need one more 5. That means 675 is to be multiplied by 5. So therefore 675 is to be multiplied by 5 to get a perfect cube. Hope you understand this. Let us go to the fifth problem. That is 100. Fifth problem 100. Let us resolve this into factors. So 100 we have, start with 2. 2 times 5 is 10, then 0, then 2 times this is 25, then 5 times 5. So 100 equal to 2 times 2, then times 5 times 5. Here observe the triplets. There are no triplets here. So observe first here. Here we have two 2's. We need a triplet, means we need additionally one more 2. So here in the second case, we have two 5's. Here we need one more 5 to get a triplet. So 100 is to be multiplied by 2 and as well as 5. So 2 into 5, that is equal to how much? 10. So therefore 100 is to be multiplied by 10 to obtain a perfect cube. To obtain a perfect cube. Okay, right. That's it. Those are the explanations or solutions for the second problem in exercise 7.1. Hope you understand my explanations. If you like my explanations, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Yours, Kona Kiran Reddy.